Ready to turn your next trip to the pool or lake into a high-stakes racing arena? Whether you're a backyard captain or a competitive racer, the DRC 2-pack RC boats are here to double the fun. Why settle with one boat when you can have a fleet? This isn't just a toy, it's an all-in-one racer kit designed for high-speed thrills, head-to-head competition, and non-stop action. Grab a friend, grab a remote, and let's dive into what makes this boat the ultimate summer essential. Let's talk about power. Each boat in this twin pack is engineered for performance. While most RC boats leave you waiting for the charger, DRC keeps you in the water. We're talking about a massive 120-minute runtime, thanks to the included 4 1200 milliamp hour high-capacity batteries. That's 2 hours of pure, uninterrupted racing. Under the sleek hull, you'll find a high-torque motor capable of impressive speeds that leave a wake in your path. And don't worry about interference. The 2.4 gigahertz remote control system ensures a rock-solid connection with zero signal crossover. That means you can race multiple boats simultaneously without any lag or glitches. It's professional-grade racing technology scaled perfectly for kids and beginners. But it's not just about the speed, it's about the smart design. These boats feature aerodynamic hulls for cutting through the water, but the real magic is in the Capsize recovery function. If you take a sharp turn and it flips over, a quick flick of the remote rights the boat instantly, getting you back into the race without you getting your feet wet. When the sun goes down, the show is really just beginning. The DRC boats come equipped with 7 different LED light modes, from vibrant strobes to steady glows. These lights don't just look incredible, they make nighttime racing safe and feel like it's easy to do. Plus, with a low battery alarm, your remote will beep and let you know it's time to head back to shore before the power runs out. Look, you've been watching me use these things both during the day and at night, in the rapids, under waterfalls. You've seen it all. What do you say we go talk to me right there and see what the experience was like? So if you should choose to get this boat, don't do what I'm doing now, standing in the water with the remote, and probably shouldn't be using a swim jet to make rapids for this thing. But oh boy, is it fun, and here we come. Here it is. Let's bring it in. Let's talk about this. This is ridiculous. This is so cool, and the fact that 2 of them come in the one kit is off the hook. If you are at all wondering whether you should get this or not, there's a button right there. Hit it right now. Or in the description, there's a link. Please use that. These things are absolutely perfect for what they are. If I had kids, I'd probably have a fleet of them. Actually, Nikki and I had a ton of fun playing out here last night. Even Sunday likes it. Sunday, what do you think? She approves. Sunday approves. In any case, I hope this was helpful. Remember to like the video, follow the channel if it was. Put in the comments, what are you going to do with these? Are you going to throw them in the rapids and drive them around? Oh, and I love that you click the throttle twice and it locks on. And then all you have to do is steer. This thing is so fun, so amazing. How cool is that? Okay, I gotta go play with this. I'll see you in the next video. This DRC HJ825 boat, this cute little adorable thing in action in the pool right here, this is the past, so I haven't seen it yet. So let's open it up together. While I open it up, I'll tell you about some of the features. It is supposed to have one-click writing, so if somehow you manage to flip it over, you hit the button on the remote and it will correct itself. They're supposed to have cool LEDs, which we're gonna have to come out here at night and test, or you've already seen that. I don't know why I'm saying we're gonna have to. This is the past, you've seen that already. And then finally, the other super cool thing about it is this is a set of 2. So you and your buddy, or you and your son, or you and whoever can play with these together, and I think that is ridiculously cool. Inside this set here, there is a yellow one and a red one, both. Let me show you what it looks like so you can see kind of size-wise. You've probably seen it already, but that's what it looks like in the kit. Inside this bag that I've dropped, we've got a USB charger, a stand for it, a little screwdriver, comes with 2 batteries, so both of them come with 2 batteries, and a remote control. Now I believe, let me just take a look. I believe this is so freaking cool. Check out how cool this little thing is. I am so excited to go play with this. Why don't you throw in the comments, is this for you and your son, you and your daughter? This is gonna be me and my daughter. She likes to play with these things, like when we're fishing and stuff, throw them in and play with them. That's how I'm gonna use it. I'm curious how you're gonna use it. I hope this video is helpful. We'll see you in the next one.